TV.
It's not me. It's something to do with the TV. It's not me.
I don't see any ghosts or I'm not seeing a duppy in here.
What is the power? Do you hear the thunder out there?
I'm not hearing the thunder. I don't.
Hey guys, so Babe is watching his match. I'm just gonna turn the TV off and turn it back on. He's gonna go mad. Let's see how it goes. Wow, did you hear that thunder?
Bite him. Hardball.
Oh. The power must have went off. But the light is still on.
But light is in the...
And the light is still on.
Light is in the TV. So.
Oh yeah.
What's wrong with the TV?
What is going on?
We just turn the TV on and it a turn off back. Right up go off.
That's weird. I thought it was on. It's not on yet?
What?
The game. It was just on a minute ago.
And that me I try to show you because TV turn off, so me have to go wait now again to put it on back.
What?
Hot matches, you know.
Oh my god, there must be something wrong with the TV. Why are you looking at me?
Alright, stop bumping the TV.
What am I doing?
Babe, no ghost not in the house, no ghost not in
What
here.
am I doing, babe?
No dumping not in here, no dumping not in here.
Babe,
So
what?
all the TV just a turn off and it, you
I
have the
don't-
remote right there, so.
I have no idea. Why are you asking me like I know? Why are you
See your
looking?
damn face.
Why are you looking at me? It's not me,
No ghost not in here.
babe.
Every time I turn on the TV, me have to go back on this, you know, man.
It's not me doing it. The TV must be
Who
doing
are
it
you
on
then?
its own.
Time for loading.
It's not me.
One right across towards Neves. Wide to the right side. Malcolm cutting there. Finds Cancelo. Cancelo's crossing towards the back post. And driven in. Just wide.
What is going on with the TV? There's something going on with the TV. I don't know what. There's nothing, babe. Look. There's nothing.
Come on, that was extra remote. That was extra remote.
I don't have an extra. No. I don't know what you're talking about.
So just slow the TV. That how much this me have to watch it. My team is playing. Can you just please leave the TV?
It's not me. It's something to do with the TV. It's not
Babe,
me.
I don't see any ghosts or I'm not seeing a duppy in here.
What is the power? Do you hear the thunder out there?
I'm not hearing the thunder. I don't hear any thunder.
Oh, I heard it. It was really loud too.
Please, no man, sure. Leave the TV alone, man. You just like perplex my brain. Stop a perplex me, man. Oh, you like just interrupt my sessions, them, someone. Oh, boss your ass. Leave the TV alone now. Joe, give me a break, man. Leave the TV, man. Joe. You gonna mash up the TV? You gonna mash up the TV if you keep turn it off, me. Leave the TV alone, man. What happened again?
I just wanted to tell everyone to like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
turn your notification bell on so you get all the necessary upload, guys.
And thanks, guys, for your support. We love you all.
You play too much, man.
Until
Peace out.
next time.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?